What is going on, guys? So if you couldn't tell, my part came in. I ordered it last week. I've been waiting for a part like this for such a long time. So I just showed a little, I recorded an edit of me unboxing it. So there's gonna be an edit coming right after this part I'm talking out. So here you guys go. This part I ordered off of purejdm.live. I'm gonna leave a discount code in my description. You guys can definitely check them out. They've got all your JDM part needs and everything you need. And they gave me a really good deal on these coilovers. So I'm gonna pull them out of the box now. So in the box, you know, just cardboard covers. And then you pull it out. And you get your coilover. I'm assuming that's the back coilover. These are a lot heavier than I thought. I think, maybe this is the back. Wow, these things are very heavy. Got teamed me up with some nice goodies there. Got the dust covers for days. Got your adjustment tools. And then under this layer of a million box pieces. We got, oh my lord, we got more coilover stuff. So much cardboard in this box. Lord. And there's the second, fourth one. So I have actually never had coilovers before. And to be completely honest, I don't think I've ever even been in a lower car before. So this is about to be like a whole new experience for me. I mean, if I'm looking at it, they look nice. I don't know nothing about them though. These are the Teen Straight Bases Z's. So these ones are only for height adjustability because I didn't really want to start messing with damper control and all that stuff. So I got these. I might upgrade them eventually in the future, but for now, this is what I'm going with. Since I've never done coilovers, I'm really gonna need to like look at these instructions and stuff, but it looks like there's an issue with these instructions. I think this entire pamphlet is in like different languages. Ah yes, my favorite English language right here. Perfect. So as I said, I've never done coilovers before, and I'm not really sure what these are for. I'm pretty sure everything's supposed to get its plate or whatever. That's for like the top. I'm gonna have to do a lot of research before I put these on because I have no clue what I'm doing, but I'll get it done. I found out what this piece is. It is called the upper seat. So when you're putting this shit all together, right? You put this thing on and you put that over top of it. Damn, figured it out, boys. The instructions that come with it are very vague, and it's not the best instructions I've ever read in my life. So YouTube is gonna come in handy, and hopefully when I install these, you guys will be able to learn from me too. And yeah, that looks like it'd be pretty dope. So if I read my Japanese instructions correctly, this is how it's supposed to be, minus the top hat, because the top hats have to come off the OEM struts. So then the top hat goes up here, and then I'm pretty sure that's pretty much what my completed coilover is supposed to look like. I am hyped to be low. After further inspection of the model, I think there's two types of these like boots, right? There's a small one and then these bigger ones. The bigger ones are going to these struts, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, that's what these look like so far. They look pretty cool. I'm excited to put them on my car already. So the plan is I want to put them on my car by next week. Issue is I work like really unpredictable hours. So I really don't know when I work and when I don't work until Thursday. And by Thursday, I have to do a lot of planning. So I want to install these next week, so I got a video out, not this Saturday, but the next Saturday for you guys of me installing them. I'm gonna try my best to do that, but I can't really guarantee anything just because like it's winter and this looks like a build that's gonna, or a part of the build that's gonna take a little while. I'm gonna try my best, but you know, it could rain, it could snow, and it's cold outside, so I'm really gonna try my best to get these on in a timely manner for you guys. So
I don't want my car lower too, so.
Figured out what it's supposed to look like. It's supposed to look like this. So first there's like a little white piece it's like this little white thing right here. You put that in, and then you put your dust cover on, and then you get this thing on top and put that thing on. That's what it's supposed to look like. So now, I'm probably gonna get a lot of hate forever for getting, you know, pretty much the cheapest coilovers you can get on the market. I just want to get rid of my wheel gap. That's honestly it. I don't like the wheel gap at all. As I said, I've heard a lot of bad things about being in lower cars and a lot of things good about it, but I'm mainly doing it for the aesthetic reason of getting rid of the wheel gap. I'm not gonna completely slam my car. I don't have an interest in doing that. I live in Pennsylvania, the roads here are complete shit, and I go to New Jersey all the time, where the roads are even worse than here. So if I have too harsh of a ride, I'm not gonna like my car anymore. So I just wanna get rid of the wheel gap. I wanna have like, you know, that much wheel gap left, and that's it. That's why I got these ones over the Flex Z's, which I was looking at too. But these ones were cheaper and they just do height, and that's exactly what I wanted to do. To make this build, like, why do I keep calling this a build? To make this install a lot easier, I ordered a floor jack as well, just so I can lift the car fast, because there's no way I'm gonna be doing it with a thing. So I ordered a floor jack with it. I have an impact wrench in my basement. I suppose it's not too big to fit under the wheel wells. So I'm probably gonna have to get some bits for that. And then hopefully this install goes pretty easy. And then on a side note, I just want to say thank you for all the support you guys have been showing my channel lately. I think last week, my video, I said I have 40 subscribers, and I just hit like 60 something now, which is like 20 in a week's really, I think it's really cool. I appreciate all the support you guys are giving me. I really appreciate purejdm.live as well. I'm gonna give you guys a discount code. It's TTR-BRZ. And I'm not sure what the discount is, but it gives you a discount. I think it's $10 off any purchase. So make sure you guys actually use that code. Check them out. They have an Instagram as well. It's purejdm18. Check out my Instagram as well. That's where most of you guys are coming from, which is awesome. And hopefully next week, this time I'm starting the install of the coilovers, and then we get some hot boy points and we get low. All right, guys, peace out. I'll see you guys next time.